Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says Congress should not talk of graft-free recruitment of Indian Reserve Battalion (IRB). And Hepatitis Awareness Week jointly organized by Airport Authority of India, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi, and RIMS kicked off at Jubilee Hall, RIMS today. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You are watching Saturday Afternoon News, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories at this afternoon: Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren lambasted Congress party, saying that a political party like Congress should not talk of graft-free recruitment of Indian Reserve Battalion (IRB). He was speaking during a reception ceremony held at the office of BJP Manipur Pradesh in Kanchipur today. 6 councillors, including chairperson and vice chairperson of Oina Municipal Council and 1 ADC members of Autonomous District Council Chandal, were accorded a warm welcome during the program. Speaking at the event, N. Biren assured of a corruption-free recruitment in the upcoming IRB recruitment. He warned of strict actions against those involved in corruption. N. Biren also said that he has even advised recruitment chairmen to restrain from corruption in both physical and written phases of the recruitment. Mentioning that he has been assuring transparency since previous job recruitments, he reiterated that the party like Congress, which has created much dispute in recruitment of police constable during their tenure, should not advise BJP.
Adagi school pagalan jigi koi school humpu ji pol swing the same lago ji February gi ahan chayol sidai da koi school unthani pu koi inaugurate tawdore with kind of furniture maram saba da paisa le BJP the recruitment the niyom sumna tawona Congress ko man tak pat ma bai ta haning de maram ni moi de hogi ba soidan da lakrabani soidan da lakrabani so many things ai khoi matam se taw se dispute am ta leitana result ahum mari haidokrabani MR ge haidokrabani jail ge haidokrabani adagi even moi ge dispute leiramba 2013-16 ge haidokrabani hojik IRB ge tawdor we are always transparent yam niyom sumna khoi tawgani ai corruption lehendan tawgani atop party ki khara khoi gi BJP soi dare na pakat pi do nongdi nungai do khoi adu mumma tawroi karsu pakat pi gono khoi.
Responding to Impact News query regarding the current condition of construction of bridges along Imphal-Jiri Road, Chief Minister N. Biren said that construction of Makru and Irang bridges are almost completed and both the bridges are to be assembled at Siliguri. He asserted that the undertakings of the necessary process are planned to start before monsoon. N. Biren said that the construction of the longest tunnel from Tupul to Imphal has completed 50% and the same tunnel is set to reach Imphal by 2022. Mentioning that kidnapping and extortion has hindered the construction works, he said that strict security measures are underway to avoid such unfortunate incidents. N. Biren also said that Simplest Company, who was in charge of construction of a new secretariat and Ima Kaithel at Mantripuki, was renounced due to slow work process. However, construction work will be completed before election following a new tender.
Kruga Iranga Sigi Tongsi Haibede Yambaloy Makagi Mosigi assemble si Akapiduni Adno Huzi Masigi Tongji Huzi Siliguri da Masi assemble Toba Adumalani Masi Aikoina Yaragadi Me Swaibogi Mamang Swaida Koi Pakana Toksena Kana Ingarangsu NISD Selgi Anuba Hanagi Sunil Singraga Ajit and Amala Ajit Chingana Ma Kauraga Wadis Hanazabani Irangido Huzi 43 crore Adugi tender Loika Adumaga Irang Tongsimaga Loiradiba Adam 24 hour service to Yaba Adum Hojiki ada assemble tawri base yam thuna ban khatna ba haina ba haidare haibadi yam balo sale only assemble tawri ba assemble si porkna base yam thuna tawna ba ko yam kanna honari madu bhaudi kitang khangmin bata.
Airport Authority of India, along with Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences in New Delhi and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal, kicked off 1 week-long Hepatitis Awareness Week today. Speaking in an event held at RIMS Jubilee Hall, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan stressed the need to conduct strict security checks to the outsiders visiting the state for treatment. He expressed desire for the Airport Authority in Imphal and Airport Authority of India to take necessary measures on the same. He asserted that as the state is facing major inconveniences in safety and security of medical treatment facilities as it located in international border area. Stating that the state's neighboring country, Myanmar, lacks healthcare facilities, he asserted that many outsiders are entering the state for treatment, among others, taking advantage of the state's poor security. He maintained that the state will face various inconveniences if outsiders continue to enter the state for treatment. He stressed the need for the relevant transport authorities to conduct proper health checkup for the outsiders. He urged the airport authority to extend their cooperation regarding the same. Dr. R.K. Ranjan also lauded Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences and RIMS Hospital for jointly organizing a public awareness program on hepatitis disease under Airport Authority of India's Corporate Responsibility Scheme. Taking part in the event, Outer Lok Sabha MP Dr. Lorho S. Foze urged the medical professionals to work earnestly, maintain professional ethics and provide good care to the patients. Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare V. Vulnung Mang, Jennings Director Professor T.H. Bhimo, RIMS Director Professor A. Santa, Director of Health and Family Welfare Director Dr. K. Rajo, RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, Regional Executive Director of Airport Authority of India Sanjeev Jindal, Doctor of Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences in New Delhi, Dr. Neeraj Rajjada, and many people took part in the event.
I will also take the responsibility to pressure the government of Manipur and particularly requesting the medical directorate and particularly the medical minister to equip at least the minimum and also to equip all these vaccines provided by the airport authority so that the awareness should be effective and we should get the goal of the United Nations by 2030. By national attempt is by 2025. Airport Authority of India under its CRS scheme, they already provided the trauma center at the Jennings. Further, I would also like to request the authority to provide 3 more trauma centers, Imphal Dimapur along the national highway and Imphal More and Imphal Jiri. If possible, please think over it and also try to provide from your CRS schemes.
Your attitude, is it to serve? Is it to eradicate the problems that we have in our communities? Is it something that you want to contribute that we have a better future? The actual impact will come if you have a right attitude. And therefore, as medical people, if we do not reach out with the touch of love, with the touch of compassion, I think it is impossible for us to be a cause of impact in the lives of those who come to you in need.
Roadside Vendors Welfare Association, Khwaeranban Kaithel, held its 22nd Foundation Day at the temporary market of Khwaeranban Market today. General Secretary of the National Hawker Federation, Saktiman Ghosh, President of Manipur Kaithel Phambi Apun Balub, El Mema, President of Roadside Vendors Welfare Association, Khwaeranban Kaithel, Khetri Tama, and many eminent persons attended the event. Speaking to media, President of Roadside Vendors Welfare Association, Khetri Tama, highlighted the plights facing the street vendors since years back. She lamented over the failures of the government to form a long-lasting policy for the welfare of street vendors. Khetri Tama appealed to government to bring a final solution to the plight facing the street vendors. Senior women vendors and those who went behind bars during recent Citizenship Amendment Act issues were felicitated during the event.
Street vendors sing asi tangai fadana makoi hingnabagi da makai koi ai livelihood ki da mak tholakpani baramaduna makoi bu yamna harassment tawbidana matam punamakta makoi si kamain tawraga kamdongna makoi bu yamna nena taba yamna peaceful oiba mongda makoi bu pot yonba phangangedagi haibasi sarkar na su hananingi adugai koi street vendors sing asina su koi sorokta yam sai thokpa tawdana sorokta yam motion ba tawdana koi gi leiriba sarkar gi sigumba mi yam kungraba lambi sorok sing asida koi si tangai fadana sarkar gi rule and regulation tangai fadana sarkar na piriba restriction sing ase masi ekhoi myam su punna ngakmin dana ekhoi karom da kamai tawra ekhoi ki sarkar ga ekhoi ga yamna coordination ama kak leina rakanda ekhoi shanti oina pot yon base masi ekhoi pami street.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on security beefing off in the state ahead of Republic Day celebration 2020. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Saturday Afternoon News on Impact TV. Security has beefed up in the state ahead of Republic Day celebration 2020. As a part of security measures, Imphal East police team carried out search operations at Congo Bazaar today. The team, including OC, CDO Imphal East, 2nd OC Irilbung Police Station, RLSI Nula, and CDO Imphal East, under the supervision of Imphal East Additional SP Operation TH Krishna Tombi, carried out the drive from 8 a.m. until 8:52 a.m. The team verified altogether 122 people and picked up 12 people without proper identification probes for further verification at Irilbung Police Station. A team of Thoubal District Police also carried out door-to-door search drive in Wangkhe Mayai Laikai today. The team, including Thoubal CDO and police personnel of Yaripok Police Station and Wangkhem Police Station, carried out the drive from 5 a.m. until 7 a.m. Altogether, 350 individuals were verified during the drive. Fostering ties between public and security forces, 113 Battalion BSF under the aegis of Sector Headquarters BSF Manipur today distributed various sports items, latest model of solar lighting systems, sewing and fogging machines, water storage tanks and trolley dustbins to the residents of Wangjing, Dentha, Kairen Bikok and Salungpham under its Civic Action Program. Commandant of 113 Battalion BSF, Hidam Subol Singh, handed over the items to the secretary, members and volunteers of various clubs, civil society organizations and women groups of the area in an event held at CI Post Wangjing. Assistant Commander Bhagat Singh and Inspector MS Hauke were present on the occasion. A team of Imphal police found a man who looked like a non-Manipuri, lying unconscious along the roadside of Keshampat, Laimajam Laikai yesterday. The man was rushed to the RIMS hospital, however succumbed to death this morning. Officer in charge of Imphal Police Station in a press release appealed to visit RIMS morgue to know the details of the man. The deceased individual is 5 feet 6 inches tall, thin, medium color skin tone and wears a blue track shirt and grey color track pant. 28th Sector Sajik Battalion held a free medical camp at the remote area of Chandal district today. Altogether, 98 individuals, including children, were checked up and free medicines were provided at the camp. ATK will lock horns with Goa FC in a league match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Kolkata's Salt Lake Stadium tonight at 7:30 p.m. In yesterday's league match played at Mumbai's football arena, Mumbai City defeated Bangalore FC by 2-0. For the winners, Mogdo Sogo and Amin Charmiti scored 1 goal each at 13 and 55 minutes of the match. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren says Congress should not talk of graft-free recruitment of Indian Reserve Battalion, IRB. And Hepatitis Awareness Week jointly organized by Airport Authority of India, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi and RIMS kicked off at Jubilee Hall, RIMS